welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing Tacosaurus Rex. Okay, so now it is just the draw feet. So I'm showing you how to draw Tacosaurus Rex. There's so feet like that. Make sure they're equally as tall. And then draw another foot over here. Okay, I think that's good. Now I need to draw the tail. And then I'm going to draw the body. That's going to be the shape of a mouth. Oh, I messed up. I think I got a pencil, not a marker. Pencils are better at markers. You agree with me?
Yes.
Oh. Wait. Okay.
Good thing you're using pencil.
Yeah. That was my mistake. Now I just need to draw a little line between so it's equal. Okay, I'll draw the arms, the tiny little T-Rex arms. Now I need to draw little teeth. You want to know why I'm making them spiky?
Why?
To eat you? No, so chomping on tacos. They're for chomping on tacos, not eating you. These teeth are made for chomping tacos. Now I'm going to draw a little taco. Now we need to draw the curve. There, made a little taco. Now I need to draw the eye. Got a tiny circle and add another black circle. Make sure it doesn't look too scary. There, that's good. Let me just widen the tail.
What do you call that one?
Tacosaurus Rex.
Tacosaurus Rex.
And I'm showing you how to draw him. Now I need to draw a little hat. So make this rectangle and then draw some little longer rectangles. Mommy, do you recognize this hat?
No, I don't.
Some people do it, sometimes cowboys wear this kind.
Okay.
That's the cowboy hat. Because he's a Tacosaurus Rex, Tacosaurus Rex, Tacosaurus Rex, Tacosaurus Rex. Now I need to draw the little stripes on his hat. Now I need to draw the filling of the taco. Where's my red thing go? Where's my red? Oh, there's my red one under the remote. So now I just need to draw the filling. I'll add some red. Now I need to grab the dark green for the other side. That's a good taco. Now I just need to fill in the hat. I'm just going to use the pencil. Okay. I need to go super careful so I don't make a mistake. Because if I make a mistake, I might draw the zigzag. And I don't want that happening. There. Now I need to color some brown. I can just go all over on this part. Now I need to go on this side for that part. Because it's little. Oh, got a little mistake there. That's okay. making a little mistakes. Maybe
It's okay.
this side is way more better.
Mm-hmm.
Now I need to make a taco shell. Just add some yellow. Don't they do this color in cartoons?
Mm-hmm. It's pretty cool.
Leave a like on the video if they make their tacos yellow in cartoons.
What do you call that one? Tacosaurus?
Yeah, Tacosaurus Rex.
Mm-hmm.
Now, wait, I need to deepen the bottom of the tail. Look at this. That tail looks weird on the bottom. There. Now, just need to get rid of that line. That's a way better tail. Maybe too thick. I was going to redo it. The good part about having a pencil, you can redo everything. Right, Mom?
Right.
So now I'm going to make mine a little bit skinnier. That's a way better tail. Now, time to add a light green. Add light green. And you can copy me. Who do other drawing videos? Like the Grumpy Yeti. Yeah, you can see that video, the Grumpy Yeti. That's when I draw the Grumpy Yeti. And the Scribble Monster. Yeah, we do other drawings. I'm not going to color the teeth because it's already white. So I'm just going to dodge that. Make sure it doesn't look like a cavity. He's just eating tacos. See? He's eating a taco. You can notice he's Tacosaurus Rex because he always comes prepared. Tacosaurus Rex. Yeah, Tacosaurus Rex. And you want to know all of the food he eats? Only tacos. That's the only thing he eats. You just get tired of eating the same thing every single day, right?
Right.
Like get tired of eating everything for the same day. Then going to school, everything he has is one taco. Now I need a tail. Should I make like a rattlesnake tail on the end? Nah. Oh, I can draw some stripes on there. Nah. That doesn't look like him. Taco. I'm all done with Tacosaurus Rex. I just need to add one more tiny bit. Nah, I'm gonna get rid of that. I made Tacosaurus Rex. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to like if my drawing was good and subscribe it if you hit the like button, that means it's good. It was okay. But if you hit the subscribe button, it was amazing. So make sure to get as many subscribe buttons. So that's the end of the video. Bye! And Tacosaurus Rex. Bye! And Tacosaurus Rex. Bye-bye! Thanks for watching the video. Bye! It's Tacosaurus Rex. Dun dun dun. It's Tacosaurus Rex. Roar. It's Tacosaurus Rex. It's Tacosaurus Rex. Roar!